Welcome to the channel. It's AlmightyDen, and today we have new developments for VVS Finance and Crypto.com, aka CRO. So if you're holding these coins, we have good developments, good news, positive catalysts for us long term, knowing that these coins are constantly keeping us updated. They're constantly having new things happen, new developments, new technologies. And today we're going to start off with VVS Finance. But first things first, if you're new to the channel, make sure you hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and cut those notification zones, especially if you like stocks, crypto, making money, trading, and investing. And as you can see here, we're looking at VVS Finance, and they are launching not one, but two crystal farms today that you can gain passive income, in which you can earn VVS by providing the liquidity if you have these liquidity pair of these coins. So if you have CRO and TONIC, you can stake those in a CRO TONIC liquidity farm on VVS Finance and earn VVS Finance passively. But not only that, they also have added a CRO/ELON Dogelon Mars crystal farm as well, where you can earn VVS Finance, which right now, if you go to the website, you can see, if you scroll down, the CRO-ELON is paying out about 123% APR. There's not much stake liquidity right now. It's $565,000 worth of liquidity that's being staked. So as more liquidity gets staked, that rate will come down. But you can now earn some VVS if you have your CRO coin and you have some ELON that you want to stake and earn some VVS passively on. So that's a very, very good sign. But keep in mind that when we're staking these coins, especially CRO and ELON, if the amount that you put in, if the price of those coins drop, the amount that you initially put in could come down as well. So keep that in mind, because you do want to be smart. Now, let's go to Crypto.com, because I said we got good news for that one as well. They have announced that they will be adding the TONIC to the Crypto.com exchange. So we've talked about TONIC being an initial gem offering on VVS Finance earlier in the year if you're holding that coin. And if you go to TONIC, you can see tectonic Fi. It's a cross-chain money market on the Kronos chain. And if you go to the website, you can see here it says tectonic is a cross-chain money market for earning passive yield and accessing instant back loans, a tectonic shift in lending and borrowing. And now, if you know about how banks lend and borrow money, there's a lot of money in lending and borrowing, especially in the crypto space, and this platform will give you the opportunity to do that. And they have the white paper, you can look at all the details and whatnot. And the good thing about it is now on the Crypto.com exchange. And we still do like VVS Finance, because keep in mind, it is still supported by Crypto.com. That is a major backing. That is a big support level. As you can see, they have about, let's just go back to the growth. They have about 1.5 million followers right now. This thing is growing. Crypto.com Arena, which formerly is known as the Staples Staples Center, my bad. And then they're supposed to be getting a Super Bowl ad during the Super Bowl, which would give it more exposure. And having that type of exposure supporting VVS Finance while VVS Finance is in its early stages is absolutely beautiful. Now, if we go to the cryptocurrency coinmarketcap.com, you can see that Bitcoin and Ethereum still in a shaky range right now. 46,000 for Bitcoin, 3,800 for Ethereum. But if you look at Binance Coin market cap, keep in mind we are comparing Crypto.com to the Binance Coin market cap. So if we look at this $85 billion market cap compared to Crypto.com's nearly $14 billion. Now, if it was at $20 billion, it would have to 4x, more than 4x just to catch up. But it's at nearly $14 billion, so it has range to go. Even though it's already a top 20 crypto, it has a lot of room to grow just to catch up to the Binance Coin as well. So that's a very, very good sign for us. And also, Crypto.com is much more heavily marketed than Binance Coin. And then keep in mind that people in the US and people all over can use Crypto.com. That's one of the things that Binance Coin maybe had against them, because a lot of people in the US couldn't use it or had a hard time using it. But with that being said, if we go to the Crypto.com chart, you can see right now we're in the 55-cent range. We've been trading in that 50-cent range for a little bit here. You can see in the 60-cent 50-cent range, still trying to pick a direction to go in right now, since the crypto market as a whole is still kind of going sideways, kind of going down a little bit bearish to be actually. But as you can see, it still came down from $1. Still do think it will get back to $1. My thought has not changed on that, but I would not be surprised if it drops to 40 cents, 30 cents, at the lowest 25 cents. for an excellent dip buying opportunity, because that's where it initially broke out at. That's the only reason I think that it can retest that level before we go higher. But ultimately, I do think that it will go higher. And for Dogelon as well, since we got the liquidity pair, this is Dogecoin. My bad. Let's go to Dogelon. We can see that up here it's still kind of high from where it initially broke out at. It did try to come down to test this level where it broke out a couple times. Hasn't quite got there yet, but it's gotten close, and I still think it'll try to get back down here and give a lower entry. So I'd be careful with that one as well, because I do think that this one is kind of high, given where it was at and where we had rejection at. But if it does break out to highs, as well as crypto.com, if it does get back up here and break above that, then that's a new play. That's some more momentum that we can have to the upside. So right now, give a quick recap, I'm still long on crypto.com. I like it. I think it'll be above $1. I think you can catch up the Binance coin for sure, maybe even surpass it. And I definitely still like VVS Finance, because you got to keep in mind the price is at 0.00005. It's definitely volatile, but even though it's volatile, we have some. We've been staking in these liquidity pools, earning VVS Finance this whole time. So even though we're earning some, even at this lower price, even if it goes to 10, that's 100x, and it can easily go back there. So not 100x, my bad, but that's easily double. Double. If it goes to 0.0001 instead of the extra 0.5 we're at right now, that'd be an easy double the money right there. Very, very easy. But right now we're at a $230 million market cap. If you want to compare it to Uniswap, that's $11 billion worth of market cap, and this platform is actually nice. It's quick, it's easy to use. You can swap out your VVS Finance. Even if you do earn VVS Finance, you can swap it out for lots of other coins, which they have been adding. I've been telling you, this platform has definitely been growing slowly but surely. They got Dogecoin, we got Dogelon Mars, we got Ethereum, we got Link, we got Shiba, we got TONIC, lots of coins, USDC, USDT, lots of coins up here that you can exchange your VVS for, send them to your wallet, send them to these major exchanges if you want to get something else. So I think this is a very good coin to have, especially right now. They're constantly keeping us updated with everything that they have going on. The Chronos chain is looking absolutely strong. So with that being said, if you like this video, if you enjoyed this video, make sure that like button, subscribe to the channel if you're new, cut those notifications on. Until next time, Densky out.